I told her I was gonna charge her. So I'm doing this girl hair. And then boom. Here she goes talking about some thank you without paying me.
But you don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were more than you could manage.
What's up, you guys? So today we're back with another video, obviously. So we're doing a mukbang, you know, IHOP, you feel me? Show me your food. I'm gonna get her syrup, hold on.
Regular pancakes. I got eggs.
Why are you saying it like that?
I got eggs, sausage,
like
bacon, and hash browns.
Syrup.
Syrup. Dessert.
Yeah. The camera is crooked in this video. It's not my fault. It's her fault.
No,
she didn't.
You set up
It's
this camera, not me.
Let's be okay. Anyways, yeah, like we don't go to the same school no more. So, do you ever miss me?
Yeah, I miss you. I miss walking in the hallways and skipping class.
Yeah. Oh my god, y'all, we was bad. We was so bad. We was bad.
Yep. I miss school.
Then we should tell. We finna tell y'all all types of stuff that happened in school, like some type of story time.
Okay.
Let's tell. Negativity is not on this page, but we still finna give y'all the tea. Okay.
All right. So we used to be friends with this one girl. We gonna call her.
Oh, I have to beep her name out. We're gonna call her Chip Tooth. So
She got a chip too.
Chip, yeah, she do. What the heck? You ain't know that? You didn't know that? Okay,
No.
so Chip Tooth, like, we met her. Was it 10th grade year? Yeah, it was. Was it? No.
I think it was 11.
It was like going into. No. That's when I was taking geometry. It was in
10th grade.
Yeah.
We met
It
this
was
girl
10th grade.
called Chip Tooth.
Called Chip Tooth, right?
Let me tell you how we met her first because it came from me. Let me tell you.
Like always, y'all, we stay together. Like, it's just us. Every time we try to ask somebody in the group, they dip. Like, I always be like, I'm that type of friend who know who your real friend is and who not your real friend. And every time Nani brings somebody around, I always tell her, and it be right. Like,
so let me tell y'all this. Let me tell you about this down. So
I gotta prepare my food.
I met her because she said she remembered me from somewhere, and I was just going along with it. Like, oh yeah, I remember you too. Whatever. I ain't really
Like a dummy.
And then she was like, do you do hair? Yeah, I do hair. Whatever. So she wanted some box braids.
You should go to syrup.
I told her, you could be mom. I could use you as a model for my page, but I'm still gonna charge you. What was it, $40, $60? I don't remember.
Put something on this, you weirdo.
You just like drink. Anyways, so I told her I was gonna charge her. So I'm doing this girl hair, and then boom, here she goes talking about some thank you without paying me. But I ain't say nothing at first. Then I started seeing, like, I let her slide the first time. I was just like, whatever. So this girl started acting like weird. I ain't like it. So now I'm like, all right, I need my money. And she's like, what money? You never told me that I had to pay. You told me it was for free. Since when?
Like, who told you that, sis? And Nani didn't tell me this at all. I'm just not figuring out this stuff. I didn't know she ain't paid.
Yes, you did, because when we was in the bathroom, you said, so where's the money?
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, because I did forget about that.
So
All right,
then,
go ahead.
fast forward, we're all friends. Me, her, this other girl, we're gonna call her Curly Head. My little cousin. My little cousin. Who else?
Y'all, this is beautiful. I just
This
made it
other
look
girl.
so beautiful.
We all friends, whatever. And then boom, she started getting flaky. What did she do that?
At first, like, I just wasn't too fond of her because
She's weird, bro. Like, she tries to fit
yeah,
in way too bad.
the night Nani did her hair, first of all, as a best friend, like, I don't care. Why is you having girls that you don't know sleep over at your crib? Like, you don't even know her like that.
Let me tell you why.
You don't know her like that.
Her mama ain't want to come and pick her up. I guess her mama ain't want her at the
She just
house.
ain't want to go home.
Her mama wasn't picking up the phone. Nothing, like she wanna come pick up. Then I'm like, we could drop you off, and she's like, no. So I'm like, all right, just stay. Fuck it. I didn't want to kick the girl out. I did. So I forgot what triggered it that made us stop really talking to her. Oh, she kept following me everywhere we went. Every time I wanted to be with So, here she come. Want to come and follow along.
Yeah, she was like a little bandwagon, like, girl.
Yeah, she's like a minion. Anywhere you go, she want to go. Like, I ain't like that. I need my space. Feel me? So, I'm telling her, like, bro, you just need to chill. Like, vibe. I stay after school because we got our hours. She was new to the school. So, we would stay to get our hours. And here she go, oh, I'm going to stay with y'all. No, go home. Go home.
The girl, like, every time. Because after school, we always go to Nani house. We always go to Nani house. Or we stay after because we was, like, trainers and stuff. For football. So she'll want to stay with us. All types of stuff. Like, how long, sis?
You gotta chill, bro. Like, don't.
You was supposed to just get your hair done. What happened? She thought she was part of the crew. So Nani being nice, all friendly, I hated that about Nani. Like, too friendly, like, well, I am, and you know that. So it's like, I don't care. Yeah, like, I just didn't like her. Like, I don't know. It was something about her that was just blowing me. So,
Plus she finds out she's a fake AB.
Go ahead, talk. Let me eat mine.
Remember that they went to Off the Wall?
Oh, we did go to Off the Wall. She came.
Remember her wearing my Sniper Gang shirt and she stole it.
Oh, I'm talking about David Buster. That's what I'm thinking about. But anyway.
Yeah, David Buster, she wasn't there. We stopped talking to her. Everybody
Tell them why we actually really stopped talking to her. Like, and then she started turning flake. Like, she was like, talking. Tone, like, I ain't on that. I'm not on that.
Yeah,
like,
so let me tell you the day we trapped her in the bathroom. So I'm telling her I need my money.
you gotta tell her before that. The
I
day
forgot.
before.
I forgot.
The day before.
I forgot.
Nani texted her. First,
I feel
she
politely.
called her mom. She called. Chipsu called Nani mom.
She had her mama call my mama.
On some
Saying
dumb
I was
stuff.
bullying her. Bitch, are you serious? Are you serious, girl? Are you serious? So at this point, I'm like, alright. This bitch wanna fight. We're gonna beat that out. So, next day, we get to school. I'm with her and a little boy. He was not my boyfriend, that was my friend. And I'm like, bro, I'm
You want
finna
the sachet?
beat this girl butt.
I don't want sachet. Hold it.
I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
How you was eating it, dude?
Because it has strawberry stuff on it. I don't want it.
Okay, don't take this one. Get the other two in.
I'm not even that hungry no more. I'm full.
Nah. I'm
So-
gonna eat. Go ahead.
So, me and Curry go to school. I'm like, I'm gonna beat this girl ass. Whatever, whatever. We get to the... I find her. She in the bathroom. So we walk in the bathroom. And then... What is Soso saying? Where's the money? Why don't you have her money? She didn't let me get the top. Why you don't have her money?
But first, like, before we got in the bathroom, we was in Coach Sonata's class, right?
Oh, we were?
Yes, we was. We was in his class.
Yeah, we was in
and she
the
came in there. And when she came in there, she seen us and she left.
Yeah.
So then we all walked outside. It was me, you,
Jada.
Jada. We could say her name because it don't really matter.
Me, you, Jada.
Me, you, Jada, and
Kalani.
Kilani. And we were just talking. We were like, that's her. Like, what's up? Like, where the money at? So,
She's like, I don't have your money.
not even that. She ain't say nothing to us, right? But then she texts Nani phone talking all that. You talking all that. You here with no money, but you talking. Like,
She's trying to have all her little white friends come and fight me. And I'm like, okay, come. You know
and
what
nobody showed up.
You know where I be
Crazy.
at. Don't come. Alright, whatever.
I need
So,
tea.
so then what happened? Oh yeah. So the whole time she's like, I don't have your money, I don't have your money. Then we see in the bathroom at the end, like when we walked out the bathroom, then she gonna hand me my money. But I thought she didn't have my money. Who? I should have.
It was me and Curly Head in the bathroom. With her. I was finna hit her.
Curly Head laughing. She laughing, and I'm sitting there like, bruh, this shit is funny. And here goes So.
I was finna hit her. Like, I was so close to hit her. Nani didn't want me to, because Nani wanted her money. But I'm like, bro, like, she's not giving you the money. She talking, like, what you trying to do? Like, I'm confused. We got her in the bathroom.
Then we
Can
like,
I get at her?
Then we like, you want to fight? No. No, I don't want to fight. No. No, for what? Like, for what? What do we have to fight for? My money. For what? I don't want to fight. For what? Girl, just give me my money. Or you finna get your ass beat. She gave my money. So, let that little alone. And then, after that, she met these 2 white girls. And, well, 1 white girl. And she started telling her everything about it. Same day. She always has a different friend group. So she told the girl, and the girl tried to come at me. Oh, why are you doing that to her for? She didn't do nothing to you. You told her that it was free. And then I said, so are you gonna beat me up about it? And what about it? Don't play with me, bro. I hate girls.
Yeah. Out of all our, oh my god, my stomach hurt. I need tea. Out of all our friend groups, it was always us. My baby. Right. Baby, I do a thumbnail. But hold on. This was just like a little. If I get copyrighted, I'll eat the rest later. I can't do it.
Alright, you ready?
My stomach hurts.
So this is gonna be mukbang / girl talk / best friend talk. So the first question is, how and when did you and your best friend meet?
We met in 8th grade.
8th grade at
When I came to Apollo.
at Apollo Middle School.
We met.
And then we became friends.
I met her. I remember exactly how I met her. She used to mess with somebody named Papo.
No, why don't say that in the video?
I don't care. Yeah. And like I see her sitting down in the cafeteria or whatever. And I was just like, hi.
They used to bug me.
And then ever since that day, I just used to like mess with her because I used to be with Aaliyah them.
What was your first impression of each other? Damn, this girl little.
For real? That's crazy because I was talking about
little.
your head. Your head was big as hell.
It still is.
It
You
still
talking about
is
was.
I used to be like, damn, this girl head big as hell.
Okay, what's your favorite memory together?
We got a lot of memories.
Before, it had to be like us going to like Dennis Lee and all that, messing with him. I like doing that. That's the teacher, by the way.
Shout out to Dennis Lane.
Yeah,
if you
shout out
watching
to
this.
Dennis Lee. You feel me? That's our dog. We miss
It'd be
him.
funny if I called him right now.
But now it might have been yesterday because we was lit yesterday.
Yeah, we was lit.
All right. Describe each other in one word.
Annoying.
Annoying.
Annoying. Right? I said what I said.
Stupid.
If they ain't trying to fight me about it, don't say nothing.
And what about it?
And what about it?
Okay.
Yeah, annoying.
What is something that annoys you about me? And what is something that annoys me about you?
She ignores me like.
No, I don't.
No, shut up. Because like, if she's interested in something in her phone, she will literally ignore me. And it's like I'm asking her questions, I'm talking to her, and she's like ignore me. I do not like that. Do not ignore me when I'm talking to you. Do not do that. Do not do that.
She's rude as hell and mean, and she catches the attitude way too fast.
Girl, next.
Okay.
Whoa.
If you and your best friend could live anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why? Cali?
Oh, sorry.
Cali? Cali, right?
What?
You would want to live in Cali?
I want to be honest,
I'm not staying in Florida forever.
I'm not. But, I mean, yeah, Cali. But I wanted to try Atlanta. See how Atlanta is.
They got too much HIV and AIDS over there.
I know. See, I want to just go to Georgia and call it a day.
Yeah.
Georgia or Cali.
Yeah,
Call
either
it a
or.
day.
Because I like ATL. Very good music opportunities.
1 second. Let me make a tea.
By the way, she sings. And I love her voice. And period, because we can both sing. And now, we're going to the studio. We finna go to the studio. We're gonna go to the studio and stuff. Go to the studio in the store. Give me a cold drink.
Let me get a cold drink.
Don't play with me because I will cut you. I'm trying to hide my pimple. Cut those.
Girl.
All right.
Next. The heck?
What's your best friend's favorite food? Hers is seafood. You don't even know mine. We just gonna skip that.
You don't even know yours.
I don't. I like everything. I like.
She don't even have a favorite.
Right. Her habit is, I don't know. Like, what is your worst habit? I know. What's mine? Mine is easy.
Get on my freaking nerves. Smacking.
Huh?
You smacks a lot. You don't know that?
Oh, when I eat.
And that's
I thought
my
you was gonna
pet.
say-
Be back. It shut off. Okay, go ahead.
I thought you was gonna say. Trusting people so easily.
Yeah, that and smacking. I wasn't really thinking about that right now.
Alright. Her bad habit is also being toxic. Who is more reliable? So.
I am. It's not her, obviously. If you call me, I'm gonna answer quick. If I call her, she be like, sorry, I can't talk right now. Okay.
Who's more annoying?
Since when?
Since forever. Who always gets their way? I don't know.
Why am I
Because-
different?
Because my girl ain't never switch. I never fold.
Her.
You know, I told a story I ain't never
Period.
told.
Shut up.
Huh?
What was each other's first job? Publix.
Popeyes.
It was Publix, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. I mean, like, I'm working at Publix now.
I don't like it. That's why I left. I quit. Now I'm about to work for Trump.
Who's a better dancer? Me. She can't dance. Oh my gosh, she cannot dance. She ain't got. You know, no.
Everybody know about me. Everybody know I'm 1, 2, 3.
Who's a better singer?
Both of us.
We both can sing. I think she sing better than me though.
We could both sing a song. I be rapping too.
You wanna have a battle?
Yeah. In the YouTube video.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Know when I am posting. You feel me? Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Just subscribe. I need these subscribers to go up. 100, 200.
To go
like,
up.
I'm trying to make it
Baby,
keep going,
go
keep
up.
going. Views matter. Subscribing matters too. Bye.
Boy, you already know, boy. No.
Oh, come on.
Psych. Oh.
Bye.